Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this little short video, what I got going on for you guys is I just kind of want to discuss some of the stuff in the sneaker world this week going on with Kanye, some upcoming sneaker releases and my thoughts on them, and then just, some other like upcoming shoes. Really, that's what this video is, just kind of upcoming stuff and also kind of current stuff going on right now in the community, drops you got coming up on sneakers, things like that. So if y'all want more content like this, check my Instagrams, any of that down below, that'd be appreciated. And if y'all want to go give me and Drew, again, shout out Drew, we've been working on this group for a while. We got some big things coming soon, so if you want to go follow the socials, again, it'd mean a lot to me, so go give us a follow down here. And yeah, I'd appreciate that. So that's everything that really needs to be mentioned right there off the bat about all the socials and all that. And again, get in our waitlist. If you're not in the group yet, join the waitlist. It will not charge you, again, unless we let you in, so keep that in mind. And we got everything you guys would need. So again, if you have any questions about it, ask them below. So I hope y'all will enjoy. And let's get into discussing what's been going on with Kanye. And don't forget, I also want to give a huge shout out to YEEZYS monitors. We've been using them in my group for a while with our Hibbit monitor, very helpful, and they also have a variety of other ones. If y'all want to go check out their socials, give them a little follow, check them out for me, that'd be great. Just go do that. And yeah, they have everything y'all would need, especially if you're looking to get some monitors, have some basic ones for Hibbit, things like that. Those are in our group, and you can kind of see what they offer. It's great. So apparently Kanye has been going off on Tremaine Emory, which is the creator of Denim Tears, if you guys are unfamiliar with that. So Tremaine Emory, that's kind of, his origin story. And I thought he was cool with Mr. West, but apparently Mr. West has been dropping some knowledge to him and let's just say texting him non-stop. Look at this. I mean, every single one of these is a text to him. Kanye is not holding back anything. He's sharing all of this personal information, and I mean, he's also flexing, his $4 million worth of Balenciaga that he bought, which, I mean, I guess, but and you hired me because I worked for Flank and Vox. You boys don't know your Cry magazine, art, blah blah blah. So yeah, they're arguing about something clearly, but obviously I think it's funny for Tremaine Emory to be arguing with Kanye. Obviously, I just want to say this, Mr. Emory, obviously this is an impossible argument to win. I just want to mention this to you. You're going to be battling with Kanye forever if y'all continue with this. The best thing you can do is settle and just be like, you know what, bro, you're right. That's what I would do at this point, bro. I would fold the cards, because Kanye is not going to stop texting you, and he's not going to stop posting texts. So I think Kanye actually got banned from Instagram. I think he posted something like a day or two ago saying he's been banned a bit from Instagram, like he can't post on it for like a week or something like that. And he ended up posting like some picture of like him and Mark Zuckerberg. Let me show you all that. Yeah, look at this. Look at Mark. How you gonna kick me off Instagram? You used to be my boy. Look at this. Like, and it's a pic of Kanye and Mark and then some other people, and some people are saying this is getting really deep into like, Kanye's personal life and things like that, just kind of showing personal tweets of him, relaxing with Mark Zuckerberg, things like that. And I mean, it's pretty interesting, that he just went and called him out on Twitter, and yeah, y'all can see there's a picture of them together. So, I mean, I don't think this is something directly to do with Mark, obviously. I think Kanye's honestly just been posting too much. He's been doing too much. And yeah, apparently he's been making fun of Tremaine Emory's name. He's been saying things are tremendous. So, yeah. But overall, it's an interesting week for Kanye. He's had the whole White Lives Matter thing and that whole situation there. Again, I'm not going to really have my words there. Kanye, do what you do, bro. Make your fashion. I'm here for it, whatever you want to do. Other than, I guess, posting the text. I think this was definitely a step too far, but he's been doing this, so I'm not going to, like, say now is too far, but I think him saying he hated Virgil's designs and just going off on Virgil is just crazy. And yeah, this is definitely a good comment. As a man of God, you might want to just let your phone die and take a break. Yeah, really, I fully agree with that note. So Kanye, relax. And yeah, maybe come to terms with Mr. Emory. Y'all can make some dope stuff. You hired him. So, and Mr. Emory needs to be careful also, If it's something, you can't argue with your boss. Another upcoming release I want to discuss, the Jordan 4 White Midnight Navy. I'm very excited for this release down the line. Now, I guess I should have bought this one after the little Memphis shock drop, right? Because look at how far this one dropped in price, all the way down to $270, $290. Bro, this is such a good buy-in range on normal adult sizes after a sneakers drop. Like, how have these risen $150 since, the Memphis little backdoor or, theft that happened there? How have these risen $150? So it shows you that there is a lot of demand for these, and people want these very badly. So understanding how badly people want these, we got to keep our eyes and ears peeled and kind of just stay tuned for when this will drop in the future, because these obviously are doing very well. There's some clear demand, and early pairs, are selling for as much as they are right now. I'm not sure what the official release date on this one again is. I believe it's towards the end of this month. If not the end of this month, then it's going to be sometime in November. So aside from that, just kind of wanted to mention it to you all, bring it up, and just show you all that prices are high now, but at one point they were way lower. So I guess I should have let y'all know after the Memphis release that these would have dropped, a little bit further in price. But hey, interesting. So another one right here, aside from, discussing again this upcoming release, another very good hold coming up, Midnight Navy Forest, the white Midnight Navy Forest. But we also have some upcoming sneakers releases. Again, do not forget about the Clark Atlanta University Dunk Low coming tomorrow on the 11th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This is going to resell, predicted resales above over $180, so it's going to do pretty well. And then there's some other ones right here, Canyon 4s. I believe we have some other Dunk Lows. Yeah, here we go. So Dunk Lows, Canyon 4s. Then we got some more things, I believe, loading up later down here. You don't see them as of right now, but yeah. So it looks like overall the schedule seems to be pretty light, but things are going to get added. It'll become more packed. That's how it is. So don't miss out on these. This one right here, this Dunk Low especially. I think all the details on this Dunk Low are really nice. I love the logo on the sole, kind of the unique laces, the colorway overall, kind of representing the university, and also the tongue tag, how it just kind of has like the CAU Panthers right on there. So I think they did a lot of nice details, and also the unique embroidery back here, where it's not just saying Nike, it's actually the year of the university, I think, or something like that. So pretty cool. And finally, aside from that, again, some upcoming Yeezy releases. I looked into this and I just wanted to show this to you guys real quick. There is not much for Yeezy coming up, really. Yeezy is pretty... these Quantums obviously do not go for these to retail as tax, and these are bricks. They don't look that good. Same with these. These are great. I'm going to be real. I'm surprised these have as many likes on Sneaker News as they do, because these are just weird. Now, $300 retail, I don't know if I can rock with that. But also, again, you got some, Onyx colorways right here. Heavy demand, 1,000 likes. Some knit runners, things like that. More 350s, 700s. These two, it's actually a pretty clean, 350 right here. A lot of likes on this one also. So some are pretty popular, but we'll kind of see how they perform over throughout the year. And I would just kind of avoid most of these ones coming up, it seems like, because they're bricks. But some of these restocks, Yeezy Slide Bone restocks, things like that, those are always great ones. We can target, so don't forget about those kind of on like the monthly basis. So slide restocks, things like that. So again, that's everything that needs to be mentioned, and how you guys, again, just some upcoming stuff. I really wanted to show you, I really wanted to show y'all just kind of what's going on, in the fashion world. Kanye and Tremaine Emory are not coming to terms. He's dropping some knowledge on them, and, just, again, going off. We got an upcoming hold, upcoming Nike releases, upcoming Adidas releases. Yeah, that's pretty much what we got. So if you guys want more content like this, again, go check out my website down below. For Hype Lab is my cook group. Me and Drew have been working on that, so if y'all are interested in it, go join the waitlist. Again, it will not charge you unless we let you in, and if you have any questions about the group, anything, you can go check it on the website. I think I'm getting the hiccups, but on the website, it'll kind of show you everything we provide, everything we have, and how the group can help you out. We even have testimonials right here. So that's everything that needs to be mentioned. Go follow the socials. Let me know what you think about the group, if it's been helpful so far. And that's it. So I'm going to end the screen recording. Drop what you want to in the comments. I'm Tristan, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.